Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to make temporary tattoos at home. So these are the images that I'll be using for my tattoos. Once you have all the images, print it on a tattoo paper. After printing, take the adhesive sheet and remove the back paper. Now stick the adhesive sheet on the printed sheet. Next, trim the excess material, leaving only a small area around the subject. Now remove the transparent sheet from the sticker and stick it on your skin and apply pressure on it. Next, take a wet cloth or wet tissue and rub over the sticker until the tattoo is transferred to your skin. Let me share a quick tip before ending the video. Some image may require mirroring, so please make sure the orientation of the image before printing. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.